And viewers, amid all this, pressure is also mounting on Justice Yashwant Verma over the alleged cash haul found at his residence earlier this month. And in fact, in a key development, the Supreme Court has now declined an urgent request to register an FIR against Justice Verma in connection with the case. Now, all of this comes after a petition was filed seeking immediate criminal proceedings against Verma. However, the Chief Justice of India has directed the petitioner today to follow standard procedures and emphasize that oral mentions for urgent listings are not entertained without proper protocol. Now, the three-member probe committee, which was formed by the Apex Court to investigate the matter, is continuing its inquiry into the allegations. Today, the panel is set to examine the key officials, key documents as well, including the fire chief and the police commissioner of Delhi, security guards and domestic staff from Justice Verma's residence over the past 6 months will also have their statements reviewed. Justice Verma, on the other hand, has very clearly been ordered not to delete any mobile data, and the Delhi police will be handing over all the crucial call data records for further analysis.
I mentioned today before Justice Sanjeev Khanna that I am a businesswoman, I am a chartered accountant, I am president of MSME Association. आज इतना पैसा कोई बिजनेसमैन के घर बरामद होता था, उसके घर से या उसके दुकान से, तो उसको कोई बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट नहीं मिलता था और उसको उसके पीछे ईडी, आईटी, पुलिस सब लग जाती थी। अभी ये डिफरेंस ऑफ अप्रोच क्यों? पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी लगाओ और पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन कराओ कि ये कैसा होता है। Chief Justice or Supreme Court is a court of appeal. It is not a fact-finding institution. Fact-finding institution is the police, the ED, the CBI. Those institution has to be take their work on this matter.
The court did not give any definite answer. The court, there was nothing which came, definitely in clear terms from the Chief Justice of India. No, see, Chief Justice did not speak anything in a clear mind. He said something, but it was nothing very clear. What exactly, I do not know. The Chief Justice himself doesn't have a clear idea of what is the way out. And our idea, what we wanted to tell the Honorable Chief Justice is there is only one way. They register an FIR. Put the criminal machinery, investigation machinery, criminal law into motion. And to prevent that from happening, it is doing a great disservice to the country. Great disservice to the country.
And viewers, for more details on what unfolded at Justice Verma's residence on the night of the incident, check our next exclusive report.
We'll try to confront DFS Chief Atul Garg. Atulji, why did you change your statement repeatedly? Was there any cover-up? What would you like to say, sir? Why did you say that the notes were burned? Did you say notes did not burn? Sir, what would you like to say? Was there any cover-up? Why the statements were changed twice? Has the committee summoned you? Will you be going to answer them? Will you be speaking to the Supreme Court judges? Has the committee has been made? Will they be questioning you? Will you be going towards them? Sir, is there a cover-up? Why are you, sir, not answering the questions? Sir, why there were change in the statements? Sir, first you said that the notes were not found, but then the notes were found. So why there are a number of clarification coming in? What would you have to say on this? No comments. Sir, but entire country wants to know that what actually has happened. Sir, will you go to the committee? Sir, just if you can, pan your window down and we could just speak to you. Then the videos were also out.